Hi, welcome back to Comfort Food for COVID-19. This is our breakfast series. Hi, my name's Lance. I'm the founder of Big Fork. And today we're doing a very simple breakfast recipe using our maple brown sugar bacon sausage. You can also use other sausage out there. I don't suggest using any type of sausage that has any onions or garlic. As a note, none of our sausage has any onions or garlic because we want that bacon flavor to be pronounced. So anyway, let's get to it. What I've done is I've sliced our sausage lengthwise twice and then chopped it up. So it's just these nice little small pieces. So these are basically what we're doing is making blueberry pancakes, but instead of replacing the blueberries with our maple brown sugar bacon sausage. Now, one little fun little thing to do. I take a cold stick of butter and I just put this on the pan. And this is going to help us. And I use a non-stick pan for our pancakes. This is just very simple pancake batter. I just added water. It's just easy to go. And you can see we're gonna turn this on a little bit higher. There you go. And then all you do while that's cooking is sprinkle some bacon sausage over the top like you would blueberries. This is a higher protein pancake. Now it's going to be a little challenging to flip with all the weight of the sausage. So you might want to make your pancakes a little bit smaller than what I just did here. It'll be a little bit easier. Oh, and then, so on top of this, what we're going to use is, this is equal parts maple and butter, as you can see here, with a pinch of salt, what I call maple butter. It is delicious. It's great for if you add to like fried chicken. Instead of anywhere where you might use honey butter, actual maple butter is about 10 times more delicious in my opinion. Okay, looks like it's about ready to go. You can start to see the air bubbles are starting to pop. Looks like from the bottom it's ready to go. Just slip it underneath and voila. Now, I've always found that the second pancake that you make always looks a little bit better than the first one. I'll turn that down just slightly. Really, the key to making pancakes is that your pan is not too hot nor too cold. So in that medium to medium low range is, and I think if you're gonna err on one side, err on the side of too cool versus too hot. Now, as you can hear, come on. You can hear the sausage there is kind of simmering on the bottom. It's going to be kind of searing that underside while it's puffing up. And so it's going to be a nice fluffy pancake while also very savory, yet sweet and delicious that the whole family can enjoy. I will have this recipe posted on our website. As well as you can get this through the social media change. Our face. There you go. Look at that underside there. Nice and caramelized. Put it on top. And then, Tallulah, you get to enjoy this first one. This is a little maple butter over the top. A little side of mango. And voila. You've got yourself a tasty new breakfast.